Hey everyone, today we're going to tour room cabin 5430. And that's coming up right after this. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick walk through. Here's the back of the door. Muster station is C6 for this room. The life jackets, they used to be left in the cabin, but on the Mardi Gras they are left in the muster station. So you'll pick your life jacket up from the muster station where you muster at. It has the instructions for donning the life jacket. They are a little different than the others in how you do it. When you first come in, to the right is the cabinets. The shelves on one side raise and lower, so you have the shoe bin, you have this drawer on the bottom that pulls out, you have storage space there, there's a shelf there that'll pop down if you need more shelf space. The safe is in that drawer there. Like I said, the shelves fold up and down. You can make it for a full hanging area or more shelves. Then on the right hand side, you have to put your key card in or your lights will not stay on. There is the bathroom light right here, 3 hanging racks for whatever you need to hang. When you open the door, the bathroom is here. There's 2 towel bars on the wall. There is the toilet. The toilet is very loud, by the way, when you flush it, so don't be shocked. They have a shelf up there, 2 shelves, and then the counter space, a mirror, another big mirror, the sink and another towel bar. Then you have storage space down below and cabinet space down below. Little trash can down there. The shower door is a glass door that opens. We had people that were curious whether or not you were going to have the clothesline, being that it was a glass door instead of a regular shower curtain. You still do have the clothesline. They have the soap and the shampoo. Your shower head will raise and lower to different heights. The left is on, the right is hot or cold. There's a hand bar to the back, a foot prop down low, and a shower soap dispenser in the corner. And when you come out into the room, you have the main area. There is an end table to the side, which has the lamps, the wall, which your lights are done by the wall. There is a USB port to either side of the bed as well. The TV is right there. The couch lets out into a bed. It's set up as a bed right now. Then you have the little ottoman underneath, which has extra storage space. You can flip it over and use it for a laptop, tabletop, or eating tabletop or whatever. Then you have the counter space. The wall plugs, you have 3 wall plugs. And then you have 4 USBs. We brought a 1-beat power strip, non-surge protected power strip that we plugged up, and it allowed us to have extra USBs. But the room comes standard with a total of 6 USBs and 3 outlet plugs, plus there's 1 plug in the bathroom. Then you have 2 shelves right here. You have the phone back there. You have your little fridge in here. And some people were asking If you could bring Red Bulls on, yes, Red Bulls do count as sodas. 12-ounce cans or less, 12-pack or less per person. Top drawer, you have a small drawer. Then there's 2 larger drawers where you can store your stuff. Then there's a window behind the curtain, which you can close all the way across. And out here is your Cove balcony. You have 2 chairs and a table. And the lifeboats are right above you, and the water is right there. And that is the tour of our stateroom. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of all of our content.